Ever find yourself laying in bed at night thinking, where's all the money? If this is the case, if this has ever happened to you, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 game-changing tips that I implemented to help me go from a constant state of worrying about money to being very profitable and knowing exactly what was going on financially in my business. In the meantime, if you don't know who I am, my name is Scott Miller. I'm the owner of thegrowthleague.com. And I'm making these videos because I'm passionate about helping restoration owners to get more profitable, to reduce the chaos, and to build something they can sell for a lot of money someday when they decide it's time to move on. Okay, let's get into it. The first thing that I did was I reworked the way QuickBooks was set up. In the first 2 years of my business, I wasn't able to use QuickBooks to tell the story about what was going on in the business. And as a result, I wasn't able to figure out where the problems were. I wasn't able to tell what was going well either. So first thing I did was rework the way QuickBooks was set up. Number 2, I created incentive plans to help align the team's goals with my goals, the business owner. The third thing I did was I got really disciplined, not only me, but my team, about financial review. So not only was I, the owner, reviewing financials on a regular basis, but I was also reviewing them with managers, and the managers were also reviewing them with field technicians in a very disciplined, regular rhythm. If you want to learn more about how I might be able to help you or just have a chat, feel free, reach out anytime. Click the link below this video and book a call with me. See you in the next one.